At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 21, 2023, TTOO Biosystems seeks approval for reverse stock split. TTOO will hold its annual meeting of stockholders on September 12. TTOO Biosystems has proposed a reverse stock split in a range between 1 for 50 and 1 for 150. The company has a deadline of November 20 for its stock to close above $1 for at least 10 consecutive business days. TTOO Biosystems stock is down by more than 60% this year. On September 12, TTOO Biosystems, NASDAQ TTOO, will hold its annual meeting of stockholders. Up for vote are a total of 9 proposals, which include a reverse stock split in a range between 1 for 50 and 1 for 150. If approved, the final reverse split ratio will be chosen by TTOO's board of directors. TTOO Biosystems stockholders will have until September 11 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time to cast their votes. Shares of TTOO Biosystems are currently trading below $1, which is in violation of NASDAQ's minimum price requirement of $1. To regain compliance, TTOO Biosystems must close above $1 for at least 10 consecutive business days. Generally, shares are not required to trade above this level for more than 20 consecutive business days. A reverse stock split would help the company regain the $1 threshold, as it would consolidate shares, increasing the stock price in the process. TTOO proposes reverse stock split. Earlier this month, the company regained compliance with NASDAQ's market value of listed securities requirement. TTOO was previously in non-compliance because its market value of listed securities fell below $35 million for 30 consecutive business days. As of August 7, TTOO's market value of listed securities had traded for at least $35 million for 10 consecutive business days, satisfying NASDAQ's requirement. Another proposal to watch during the upcoming meeting will be Proposal 2. The proposal seeks approval for the election of Jack Cumming and David Elsbree as Class 3 directors until at least 2026. Other proposals relate to executive officer compensation, the 2014 Employee Stock Purchase Plan, the ratification of BDO as TTOO's independent registered public accounting firm, and the approval of the CRG debt-to-equity conversion. Meanwhile, the company recently reported its second quarter earnings. Revenue tallied in at just $1.96 million compared to $5.91 million a year ago, showing a significant decline of 66.8%. This was primarily due to a slowdown in product revenue and $0 in contribution revenue compared to $3.35 million year over year. Contribution revenue totaled $0.4 million for the 6 months ended June 30, amounting to a year-over-year decrease of $6.3 million due to timing of the contract activity and less option amount available under Option 3, which was available for the first quarter of 2023, compared to Option 2A, which was available for the first quarter of 2022. Still, TTOO's net loss shrunk to $6.34 million compared to $18.03 million a year ago. This was due to lower shipping, service and repair costs, and lower consumable sales of TTOO SARS-CoV-2. Thanks for watching.